What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm skiing one of Keystone's mini bowls with fresh tracks and fresh powder, and I think that's what Keystone's really good for, is its super mellow bowl type skiing terrain. You can just take huge carving powder laps, and because it's such a big bowl above tree line, it just fills in with windblown snow, and it just makes a really nice, mellow, enjoyable, classic Colorado bowl skiing powder run. So it's a great place to go the day of a storm or the day after a storm. Keystone also has all this really cool, flowy roller terrain, and it just makes a really cool place to go take long powder turns, long carves, and just really feel the flow that Colorado has to offer. In addition to that, there's a bunch of little features all over the mountain. Nothing really huge or scary, but little cliff drops and cliff bands if you know where to find them. They can be big roller drops like I'm about to show you here, or there are a couple actual cliff bands around if you know where to find them. But yeah, this is a powder day at Keystone. Please subscribe and comment if you like this video.